A self fulfilling prophecy is an assumption or prediction that, purely as a result of having been made, caused the expected or predicted event to occur and thus confirms its own accuracy. Meaning, there is no self fulfilling prophecy in the world because it's impossible to dictate life and it's also impossible to control reality, divert attention, and manipulate time, mind, or to absolutely dominate this external and outside universal reality or structure inside of which all things exist, inside of which we human beings exist alongside nature, natural world and all of its components and living organisms and animal species. It's impossible to dictate this whole absolute reality alongside its happening and unfolding, just as we cannot control, manipulate, change our mind, life, reality, because these are independent, individual, and dignified principles that operated from the outer space, from universal power and cosmic wiring. That's why they've got their sovereignty, understanding, individual independence all the time. That makes them immune from manipulation, control, change by the human beings, inventions, desires, malcontents, malintentions, etc. Because we've distorted everything to fit our image. And now we're suffering from our inventions. We're domesticated, dominated by whatever we have invented thus far, and that includes phones, internet data, social media, cars, bikes, and so on and so forth. So, obviously, reality cannot be controlled, and there is no final understanding in the world, and belief can neither be individual nor personal, and so is reality. There is no one definitive, absolute reality in the world created by or developed by only one man or woman. Reality is a shared unconscious principle which is occupied by everyone. Everyone occupies and obviously covers reality in one way or another because everyone exists or lives inside of it in one way or another. So we have to occupy reality. We have to possess it because of our mindset, biological action, and all the energy that comes out from ourselves. So reality exists because of all that. But then again, our self-fulfilling prophecy ultimately is an assumption, a prediction, an assumption or prediction that was purely as a result of having been made, cause the expected or predicted event to occur and thus confirms its own accuracy. So a self-fulfilling prophecy might happen or it might not happen in reality, but ultimately it's a prediction or an assumption, and neither reality nor actuality nor philosophy of any kind. It has no relations with reality whatsoever, and there is no one absolute reality either. Reality is conditional, relative, dependent upon human beings.